Inspired a little bit by Levon Helm. Before he passed, I got kind of obsessed with the band, and I read his biography. My dad always listened to those records when I was a kid, and then we went on the road, and we were setting up, and Alisa said, Levon Helm died, and it was the strangest thing, you know, because I knew he'd been sick before, but I didn't really know that it had come back, so I stole a little bit of swagger from Levon on this one. I hope you don't mind. When the rooster crows in the morning, I make my coffee strong and hot. I pile a skillet hot with potatoes, ham, and egg. I used to work on the 33rd floor, hoping that some money could come along. Life is good since I moved back to the farm. Yeah, life is good since I moved back to the farm. The sun climbs high in the big blue sky, and since the back hills all the gold, and this black dirt now, Lord, is pretty underneath gold. The days can be long and the work is hard, but this country living's got a different sort of charm. Life is good since I moved back to the farm. Yeah, life is good since I moved back to the farm. So when you ask me, do I ever think about moving back to town? Well, I remember the man living in the tin can, and he was always looking down. So I was glad to trade that working wage for 5 good acres and a pretty red barn. Yeah, 'cause life is good since I moved back to the farm. Yeah, life is good since I moved back to the farm. When the north winds blow, I cut the stalks down low and let the fields lay to rest. When we pass around the guitar late into the night, and when it gets cold, I just stoke the stove, keep running a cabin out anymore. Life is good since I moved back to the farm. Yeah, life is good since I moved back to the farm. So when you ask me, do I ever think about moving back to town? Well, I remember the man living in the tin can, and he was always looking down. Somehow it just seems right, feeling tired at night, and my head is always singing some pretty new song. Life is good since I moved back to the farm. Yeah, life is good since I moved back to the farm. Yeah, say life is good since I moved